Hello students, how are you all? You all are fine and happy at home. Okay? You are doing homework now? So, today our subject is grammar. Lesson 6, describing words. Last lecture also we did describing words. But we did exercise 1. This time we are going to do exercise number 2. Okay children, are you ready for this? Yes? Okay. So, exercise number 2, 4. So, learning points. So, what we will do today? Today we will do exercise 2 of lesson number 9, describing words. Okay children? Yes. So see, words that tell us more about naming words are called describing words. Now you all have understood that? Words that tell us more. We have learned this in last lecture. Words that tell us more about naming words are called describing words. You have seen in this your book now? Yes. Okay children, they are the naming words. They tell more about naming words. Okay. Okay, see first we will revise describing words. So, what is described here? We will see. This we have done in the last lecture. A yellow flower. A yellow flower. So, there is a flower, but the color of flower is yellow. Okay children? Color of flower is yellow. So, flower is naming words. Yellow is describing word. Describing word. It tells more about flower. Which color flower? Yellow flower. Yellow flower. So flower is naming words. Yellow is describing word. Okay? Now see. A heavy. H-E-A-V-Y. Heavy book. Heavy book. Heavy book. So book is naming words. Heavy describing words. It describes the book. That book is heavy. It is not light. Okay? How is the book? So book is heavy. Heavy book. How is the book? Heavy book. Okay children? Now see the next one. Noisy. A noisy class. A noisy class. See this line? See these words? A noisy class. Class is naming word. But how is the class? Is silent? They are silent? Yes. They are not silent. They are noisy. So class is noisy. Noisy class. So noisy is describing word. It describes class. How is the class? Noisy class. Okay children? Now see. 3 mangoes. 3 mangoes. Mangoes, naming words. It names of fruit. And 3 is describing words. It tells us more about mangoes. How many mangoes? 3 mangoes. It tells about more. tells more about mangoes. How is mango? How many mangoes are there? 3 mangoes. Okay. See, again we will read. A yellow flower. Yellow, describing word. Flower, naming word. A heavy book. Heavy, describing word. Book, naming word. Noisy, describing word. Class, naming word. Tree, describing word. Mangoes, naming word. Okay, children? See, now we will do more words. A happy baby. This we have done in our last lecture. Okay? A happy baby. Baby is naming word. It is a name of a small baby. Yes, person. It is a person. Okay, small baby. So how is baby? Tells more about baby. Baby is sad. Baby is not sad. Baby is happy. So, happy is describing word. Describing word. Baby, naming words. Happy tells more about baby. Okay? See now, next. A new scarf. A new scarf. Scarf is, what is scarf? Very good. Scarf is naming word. It is a name of thing. A type of cloth, no? Which we wear on our head. Girls wear scarf. A new scarf. How is scarf? It is not old. It is new. A new scarf. A new scarf. Okay, children? A soft cushion. See, you have seen cushion? I showed you in the last lecture. Cushion. C-U-S-H-I-O-N. Cushion. How is cushion? It is not hard. It is soft. S-O-F-T. Soft. Soft cushion. Soft is describing word. Cushion, naming word. Okay, children, have you understood this? Now see this. Juicy oranges. Juicy oranges. How are the oranges? Oranges are juicy. J-U-I-C-Y, juicy. Oranges. Oranges is the name of fruits. No. So it is a naming word. How is oranges? How are oranges? Oranges are juicy. Understood? So juicy is describing words. It tells more about oranges. It tells more about oranges. Understood, children? Very good. Okay? Now I think you all have finished this. Yes. So the red color words all are describing words and the green color are all naming words. They describing words, describes naming words. Describing words tells more about naming word. Okay, children? You all have learned naming words, no? Yes. So now you all be knowing what is describing words. Describing words tell something more about naming word. Understood? Yes or no? Very good. So, Do it this. Okay, children, read this. Understood? Yes. Now see what we have to do here. First, you have to see the picture. Yes, this is your exercise number 2. Circle the describing words. See, listen properly. Circle the describing words. Circle the describing words. See here, there is a picture, and see there is a sentence is given here. See, there is a baby sleeping on a green bed. There is a green color bed. Can you see? Yes. So number A is, see, first we will read the sentence and then only circle. Okay, children? See, they, T-H-E-Y, they put, P-U-T, put the baby on a, they put the baby on a green bed. They put the baby on a green bed. See here. Can you see anything? Yes. Bed. Bed is a naming word. It is name of a thing. Bed is used for sleeping. We sleep on bed, no? B-E-D, bed. Yes. So how is the bed? Bed is green. G-R-E-E-N. Green. So they put the baby on a green bed. So what you have to do in this sentence? See, you have to read first. Circle the describing words. We have written here only. So you have to circle describing word. Now you know which is describing word. They put the baby on a green bed. So which is describing words? Can you tell me? Green bed? Green or bed? Very good. Bed is naming word and green is describing word. So we have to circle on which, where? Where we have to circle? Circle on the word green. See, I am doing green. Understood? They put the baby on a green bed. They put the baby on a green bed. Understood, children? So green is a describing word. Okay? And bed is naming word. See now number B. Sentence number B. Circle the describing words. Here also you have to circle. See here the boy is watching TV. So number B. See the picture first and then understand it and then read the sentence. Sentence number B. I watched a comedy film. A comedy film. So film is film is a naming word. So can you guess which is a describing word? Can you tell me? Very good. Comedy is describing word. So where we have to put circle? We have to put circle on comedy. Okay, see I am doing comedy. I watched a comedy film. So comedy is a describing words. Comedy is describing words. Understood, children? I watched a comedy film. Now next sentence. Understood this? What you have to do? Find out describing words and you have to circle it. The sentence is given. So I request you to read the sentence first. Understand the sentence. And then circle the describing words. For this you all have to read the sentence first. Okay, children? Now see. Circle the describing words. Number C is, see, I am reading, there is a magician showing tricks. Number C I am reading. Children enjoy the magic tricks of the magician. Children enjoy the magic tricks of the magician. So here see the magic tricks. So where we have to put? Where we have to circle which word? See, read again and understand. Children enjoy the magic tricks of the magician. Children enjoy the magic tricks of the magician. So we have to circle magic. M-A-G-I-C. Magic is a describing words. It describes the tricks. How are the tricks? Tricks are magic. Understood? Tricks. Magic tricks. Okay, children? Now number D. See, again this circle describing words. See, first you see the picture. There is a waterfall and children are enjoying. See, there are children. There is a waterfall. Water is falling up from up to down. In this rainy season also many places rain have come many places and water is also falling. There are many waterfalls also. Okay. So see the waterfalls. Understood? See these children, they are seeing there. Now we will read number D. We bathed in the beautiful waterfall. We bathed in the beautiful waterfall. Number D is we bathed, B-A-T-H-E-D, bathed in the beautiful, B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L, beautiful waterfall. So beautiful waterfall is naming words and beautiful is describing words. Okay, children? So, see we will do beautiful. We bathed in the beautiful. See, you have to circle the word beautiful waterfall. Okay? We bathed in the beautiful waterfall. Okay, children? I hope you all are doing and you all are understanding. You are understanding, no? We bathed in the beautiful waterfall. So, beautiful describes waterfall. That how is the waterfall? Waterfall is beautiful. Beautiful waterfall. Okay. Now number E. See. Circle describing words again. There is a dog looking at the bone. See, there is a dog, picture of a dog looking at a bone. Now we will read the sentence. Number E. The hungry dog looked at the bone. The hungry dog looked at the bone. See, that hungry dog is looking at the bone. Okay, so dog is naming word. Dog is naming word. It is a name of animal. Name of animal. The hungry dog looked at the bone. So how was the dog? Dog was hungry. So what is hungry? Hungry is describing words. It describes the dog. Okay? The hungry dog. Hungry, it describes the dog. How is the dog? Dog is hungry. The hungry dog looked at the bone. Okay, children? So you have to circle hungry because hungry is describing word. Okay, it describes the dog. What it says about dog? It says that dog is hungry. Okay? Now number F. See now number F. First you look at the picture. There is a girl. She is having a pen. What is the girl's name? Girl's name is Mary. Okay? Now see number F. Mary liked her new pen. Mary liked her new pen. Mary liked her new pen. See, there is a pen in the girl's hand. Mary liked her new pen. So, pen. Pen is name of thing. New is describing the pen. It says something more about pen, no? That it is not old, it is new pen. So, word describing word is new. N-E-W, new pen. It describes the pen. New is describing word. Okay, children? Now number G. See, circle the describing word. See, this cloth is dirty. It is put in wash. Okay. Now see number G, the sentence. This all sentence all are given in your textbook. Okay. Number G. It is a dirty cloth. D-I-R-T-Y, dirty. D-I-R-T-Y, dirty cloth. It is a dirty cloth. So how is the cloth? Cloth is dirty. Cloth is dirty. So it tells something more about the cloth. More about naming word. Cloth is naming word. So what is describing words? Where we have to circle? We have to circle dirty. Okay? It is a dirty cloth. Understood, children? So dirty is describing word. Dirty is describing word. Okay? Now see. Circle the describing words. We all are doing that only. All the sentence. See the picture first. Circus. There is a picture of a circus. There are two clowns. Funny clowns. Joker you have seen, no, in the circus. You must have seen. You must have gone to circus. So there are clowns. What do clowns do? Do you know? Clowns make us laugh. No? They make us laugh. Yes. So, circle the describing words. Here there is a picture of a circus. Now we will read number H. Sentence number H. Okay? So see, first we will read. The circus is full of funny clowns. The circus is full of funny clowns. The circus. First you have to read the sentence. The circus is full of funny clowns. Now see, which is the describing words here? First you have to see that which is the naming word and which word describes the naming word. So here see, clowns are naming words and funny is describing words. So funny clowns. So where we have to circle? The circus is full of funny clowns. So we have to circle. Where we have to circle? Do you know this? Very good. Funny. Funny. The circus is full of funny clowns. The word is funny. Funny describes clowns. Understood, children? See, the circus is full of funny clowns. How are the clowns? They are funny. They make fun so that we are happy. We laugh at them. Okay? Clowns are funny. Understood, children? So what do? They do fun. They make us laugh. So funny is a describing word. It describes the clowns. Okay? Now number I. See, here also you have to circle the describing word. There is a pen. And see, something is there. You know what is this? Yes, it is egg. Eggs are cooked. So it is a pan. It is very, very hot. Hot. First we will read the sentence. Okay, number I. Sentence number I. This is a hot pan, so be careful. See, how is the pan? Pan is hot. Very good. Pan is a naming word. Hot is a describing word. It describes the pan. That pan is not cold. Okay, it is very hot. So, where we have to circle? Can you tell me? Very good. Those who have given answer. This is a hot pan. This is a hot pan. So, where we have to circle? We have to circle. Which is the describing word here? Pan is naming word, beta. Hot is describing word. So, hot. We have to circle hot. Understood? Hot pan. So, hot is describing word. Pan is naming word. Okay? Now see. Circle the describing words. First you see the picture. There is a baby. Okay? And there are balloons in the baby's hand. See now. Read the sentence properly. The baby loves to play with colorful balloons. The baby loves to play with colorful balloons. Okay, children? The baby loves to play with colorful balloons. Now see, baby is playing with balloons, no? So how are the balloons? Balloons are naming word. But how are the balloons? Balloons are colorful. So where we have to circle? Which is describing word? Colorful is describing words. It tells about the balloons. That how are the balloons? They are blue, red, yellow. No, they are colorful. See, there are different colors. The baby loves to play with colorful balloons. There is not one balloon, but many balloons. Understood this? The baby loves to play with colorful balloons. Understood, children? I hope you all have understood this. Okay? So, colorful describes the words balloons. Okay, children? So, I think you all are doing your homework. Okay? Finished your exercise. Read all the sentences. Understood? And do your homework with good handwriting. Okay? Thank you.